అలతానై అలరించేది మగువ, ఒడితానై మనిషినే మలిచేది మగువ, నింగినైనా నేలనైనా అమూల్యమైనది మగువ. వనిత టీవీ ప్రేక్షకులకి మహిళా దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. హ్యాపీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ విమెన్స్ డే. ఆకాశంలో యుద్ధ విమానాలతో విన్యాసాలు చేసిన, సముద్రంలో ఊపిరి బిగబట్టి సాహసాలు చేసిన అది ఆమెకే చెల్లింది. ఇండియన్ ఎయిర్ ఫోర్స్లో స్క్వాడ్రన్ లీడర్గా, సముద్రంలో ఫ్రీ డ్రైవర్గా దేశానికే ఎన్నో అవార్డులు రివార్డులు తెచ్చిపెట్టిన యంగ్ విమెన్ లేడీ, ఇంటర్నేషనల్ విమెన్స్ స్పెషల్గా అర్చనా త్యాగరాజన్ని మనం కలుసుకోబోతున్నాం. లెట్స్ వెల్కమ్ హర్. హాయ్ అర్చనా.
Hello.
హ్యాపీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ విమెన్స్ డే.
First of all, I would like to wish all the women a very happy Women's Day.
మనం జనరల్గా అమ్మాయిలుగా పుడితేనే ఎన్నో కష్టాలు అని అంటూ ఉంటారు. సో యాజ్ అ విమెన్గా యూ హ్యావ్ అచీవ్డ్ అ లాట్, రైట్? సో యాజ్ విమెన్స్ డే స్పెషల్గా వాట్ డు యూ సే అబౌట్ విమెన్?
They are the most powerful being. You cannot deny that. We are already the powerful being in the world.
So tell me your family background.
I am from Tamil Nadu. I am born and brought up in Neyveli. I have done my college from Coimbatore, and then I have joined the Indian Air Force for 10 years. I have served the Indian Air Force for 10 years, and in January 2024 I completed my short service tenure and I have retired. And after that I started pursuing free diving. In free diving I have become, like right now I hold the titles of the deepest and the farthest and the longest breath holder of India in female. And I have represented the country in the World Championship last year in Japan. And right now I'm holding 8 national records of India in free diving.
How did you got the support from your family and in-laws?
A lot of support. Without family support I would not be here where I am right now. Actually, hobbies na chinna vayaslo I don't have anything much. Like I have been doing swimming all throughout my childhood. Like during summer camps everybody goes to some different places. They go and they just keep playing and all. For during summer camps also, first 10 days is allocated to do whatever I want to do, and after that again the next of the 2 months is dedicated only for swimming. So that is how I grew up, and I have dedicated all my life to whatever I was pursuing at that point of time. And my how I joined swimming is also a funny story. Like as a kid, like every father likes to take their kid around and show them water bodies or trees or birds and animals. My father wanted to show me the blue water. Like something was fascinating and he wanted to show his daughter the blue water. And then when he took me there, they said no, you cannot bring the child here. So when they said no for his child to see the water, the next day he put me in the pool, just like he got me enrolled to learn swimming. So then I started swimming, and then I just started liking it, and then we kept going. That's all. One led to another, and it was not a decided thing that we have to go for swimming. It just happened in my life.
So you are the only child or do you have siblings?
I have a younger sister. She is also a swimmer, and she is also a fitness instructor.
So do you believe in God?
I get what I deserve and I have to work for it. I cannot just sit and pray to God to get me medals, and I cannot just only go and swim and without having any faith or without having any trust that I will get what I deserve. So it has to be a combination of both, right? Like you cannot just have one.
So usually first మనం వాటర్ చూడగానే భయపడిపోతాం. We get frightened, right? So భయపడిపోతాం కాబట్టి. So do you like వాటర్ అంటే ఇష్టమా లేదంటే ఆకాశం అంటే ఇష్టమా మీకు?
I love nature. It doesn't matter it's water or the mountains or the sky. It's like I just love nature.
You worked for sky and right now you're working for sea or water. दोनों में आप काम करें, like ऊपर काम करें और नीचे भी you're loving to do that. So tell me that phases.
Everything has something to teach you. Everything in nature has something to teach you. So the sky has taught me few things. I've taken the lessons what I've learned from Air Force, and also the water is teaching me a different lesson. So everywhere you just have to be open to learn. So when you're open to learn, you get a lot of the nature teaches you a lot of things.
True.
Like in Air Force I was taught to be disciplined, hard work and decision making, to be very vigilant and to take responsibilities and everything. However in the water I took those lessons from Air Force, but then the water taught me a different skill. Like once I go underwater in a single breath, like free diving is something like you go underwater in a single breath. I don't have a chance to panic. I have to remain calm at all times. No matter what depth I am, no matter where I am, I have to stay calm. So water is teaching me different lesson, Air Force taught me different lesson, and swimming taught me different lesson. So everywhere you just have to be open to, and water also teaches you humility, because when you go to a big ocean, you cannot go and fight the ocean. Nobody can't fight, you cannot fight the ocean. All you can do is surrender to it. So once you surrender, the ocean also hugs you back and it lets you do what you want to do.
సో టిల్ 1960 లైక్ 38 ఫీట్ వరకే లోపలికి వెళ్ళేవారని వి హర్డ్ దాట్. హౌ డు యూ మేనేజ్, లైక్ మీరు అలా డెప్త్గా వెళ్ళినప్పుడు అండ్ పానిక్ అయిపోకుండా దాన్ని బ్రీతింగ్ ఆపుకొని మీరు ఎలా మేనేజ్ చేశారు అసలు?
Yoga also helps. You have to trust the process. You cannot just wake up one day and you think that okay, I'll go for 40 meters. So you have to go progressively, step by step by step. You have to have patience, you have to trust the process, you have to do the hard work, everything. So once you do that, you will start slowly going, like progressing. So the nature also will let you in that journey. And then most of all, you'll have to have the humility and accept whatever lesson the ocean is teaching you or the water is teaching you. Once you accept the lesson, if it's teaching you and it's not letting you go down, you have to accept it. Okay, it's something more you have to do. You have to put in a little more hard work. So once you learn that and accept whatever it is teaching you, you will keep going.
पीपल बोलते हैं ना लाइक एवरी मैंस उनके सक्सेस के बैकग्राउंड में उनके वाइफ रहते हैं. आपका बैकग्राउंड में कौन है?
मेरा सक्सेस के पीछे like there are so many people. I would love to give credit to a lot of people. It's not a single person, right? Like if I am achieving, there is a lot of whole team working behind me. Starting from my young age, my parents have been my pillar. My parents and my sister, like right till date, they have been backing me up. So the one thing which makes me take different streams and lines and different decisions is like the one thing which I get from my parents. A very strong thing is like, you go, we are there. Whatever is there, we are there behind you. So that one line, they don't have to be like necessarily I don't have to step back, but that one line, Nipo, we are there. So it's like okay, that is like what is making me walk whatever line I wish to walk. And then the next is like my husband, so to tell how much dedication he is putting into my career is like, for the last World Championship, I was practicing continuously in the pool because it was a pool championship. So every lap I have swum, he has walked beside me every lap. So every lap I'm in water, every lap he was there with me, either in the water or in the land. So that is how much dedication he is like showing in my career and supporting me in this one. Not only him, my in-laws also. They also, including because I should have a very healthy diet and everything. So they help me a lot with all that, like everything. So you have to have a conducive environment to follow your journey, follow your dreams. It is a very good, it's not like without that you cannot achieve, but if it is there, it is a very good thing, no? You have somebody to support you and back you up. So all those things, and especially my from my childhood, like I started swimming from the age of 6.
లైక్ స్విమ్మింగ్ లో మీ కోచ్ ఎవరు అండ్ ఈవెన్ ఎయిర్ ఫోర్స్ లో మీ సీనియర్స్ ఎవరు?
Swimming la coach வந்து என்னோட first ரெண்டு coach வந்து ஜாய் ஜோசப் தோப்பன் and சஜி செபாஸ்டியன்.
அச்சா.
So if you ask teachers day க்கு யாருக்கு ரொம்ப விஷ் பண்ணனும்னா, my first is like my gurus, like they taught me a lot, not only swimming, any life lesson, so everything. Even my school also supported me a lot. I used to go for all the competitions, like evlo competition போணும்னா 12th standard la swimming pool attendance was much higher than my school attendance. So I have not missed a single day of swimming, like maybe 1 or 2 days of school, but yeah, I have been very regular in my swimming. You have to understand which is your strength and then work towards it. During my school, all the teachers supported me, my coaches were supporting me, and in Air Force also I had very good seniors who supported me when I wanted to do my swimming, do any extracurricular activities and everything. After Air Force also, right now in free diving, I have not learned from a single master like instructor, and I have traveled to various places too, because free diving is a very new sport. After Air Force, we wanted to take a break, me and my husband, so we wanted to travel. So suddenly we were calling our friend to check for itinerary, like I want to go scuba. So he told go try free diving. Okay. I didn't know what was free diving 2 years back, and right now I'm holding this one, but 2 years back I didn't know such a sport existed. So we just went and tried free diving, and one led to another.
So we heard that like your husband is also a IAF officer, right?
Yes, he was also serving in the Indian Air Force for 10 years, and after that he is we both finished our 10 years of service and we have come out.
So tell me about your Indonesia trip and that experience.
Indonesia, that was my first free diving experience, as I was just telling. So first time somebody accidentally I went and enrolled in free diving, and then the instructor saw me. He told, you are very good in the pool discipline, go try, the competition is there in Indonesia in next 3 days and you are here in Indonesia, go try.
Oh, within 3 days.
Yeah, just by 3 days of training I went and tried the competition, and then I broke 3 national records during that time. But before that you should also know that just before my Indonesia trip I had done 1 month of rigorous yoga. Free diving is 30% physical and almost 70% is mental game. So it doesn't matter how bulky or how strong, it's like unless you're not strong here it is very difficult.
So like mentally and physically, what are your suggestions to present women and young generation, young girls? How we have to be very calm, very progressive, very silent and very confident?
First is stay fit, take care of yourself. That is more important. Whatever you like, start doing it. Don't say that, don't give excuses. Like excuses are there. Yes, I know everywhere there are plenty of excuses you can give to not to do something. But that won't lead you anywhere. So always, even though you have a lot of excuses, leave it aside and give yourself one excuse that this is for you and then keep doing it.
So we heard that you're a pure vegan, right?
Yes.
So what kind of diet you take and what all suggestions you give to now, like us?
Fried items and most of the item whichever is in packet I try to avoid. So that is the major thing which I try to, and eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. The more you take fruits and vegetables, the more your thoughts and everything will get calmer.
And tell me about your 34 AIDA.
Yeah, when I enrolled for it, I had a lot of doubt. Like first time, because this is the first time somebody is representing the country in the world forum. So yes, it was a very good thing when you look at it now. But that time I had a lot of doubts. It's not, I'm human. Like I was like, okay, will I do good? Will I be good enough and all this? But yes, it was a very different feeling. And when I was there in my first event, yeah, I could see my heartbeat. Like I was in a bubble, and in the whole bubble, the whole swimming pool was beating along with my heart. But then once I took my breath, and then once I went inside the water, nothing. It was just peace and calm, and because I trust my training, so I don't have to worry about whatever it. And the one thing which I follow it as a policy, I accept what comes by. I'll give my best and I'll leave the rest. As my swimming coach also keeps telling, give your best and leave the rest. It's okay, whatever the ranking is, that's not a matter. As long as I did my best and I've given what I want to do, then rest all it's okay.
So you work for the Air Force and right now free diving. और क्या क्या है आपके माइंड में, और ये अचीव करना है और वो अचीव करना है ऐसे?
Right now I am running towards nature. So wherever the nature is calling me, I'm just going. Like the water, yes, and then I want to live a little more calmer and peaceful life. So that's where is my earning. So the nature guided me, or the universe guided me through free diving. Where I was searching for calm and peace, it guided me to free diving. So now I'm also an earning of the same thing. So wherever the journey takes me, I'm ready to do it.
पूरे countries you'll regularly travel करते हैं ना?
Yes, because India में you cannot, India में depth नहीं है. ओशन में इधर प्रैक्टिस करने का जगह नहीं है, अच्छा वाला जगह नहीं है. अदरवाइज अंडमान जाना पड़ेगा और बहुत ज़्यादा डेप्थ नहीं मिलता है. सो हमको और कहीं बाहर जाना पड़ता है. सो मैंने 1 महीने थाईलैंड गई थी. थाईलैंड सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस के लिए गई थी, और फिलीपींस में प्रैक्टिस करके कंपटीशन किया था. एंड देन इजिप्ट, लास्ट ट्रिप वाज इन इजिप्ट. इजिप्ट में लाइक आई वाज देयर फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 50 days, and then practice chesi. Then I did my competition where I went to the deepest of 45 meters there in Egypt.
అర్చన, లైక్ ఇండియాలో ట్రైనింగ్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి అండ్ బయటకి మీరు వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ప్రాక్టీస్ బాగా చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, ట్రైనింగ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది?
ఇండియాలో స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్ ఇట్స్ అవైలబుల్, plenty of swimming pools are available, and once you have a good coach and a buddy, you can train in India. But you should be able to know where to train and how to train with. Guidance కి యారాவது కోచ్ కావాలి. ಅದು ತವರ for depth, for the ocean, here you can do the courses for the minimum depth, but to train at a pro level or train to go deeper to pursue that, then you have to go abroad only. So since India, as a geographical, we have a constraint of we are not able to go deeper very easily, or you have to go for a long time to get so much of depth. So instead of that, if we have a pool, a deep pool, that is like a very good thing.
స్విమ్మింగ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్లో చేయడం వేరు అండ్ ఓషన్స్ లో చేయడం వేరు, రైట్?
Definitely.
దేర్ ఇస్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెన్స్.
Definitely.
సో అలా డెప్త్ వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఏదైనా భయం అనిపిస్తుందా మీకు?
To be very frank, I'm okay. Personally, I was okay. Yes, sometimes it is natural. Like you have a fear. Like obviously, there's only you. There's nobody with you. At 45 meters, I'm alone down there. 45 meters, and there's nothing, just the ocean around me. So yes, and some things are beyond your what do you say, control. When it is beyond your control, and I love doing it, sometimes you have to just go with the flow. You cannot, and as I said, I don't have the right to get what do you say, panic at that depth. If I get panic, I have a single breath. If I panic, you know, right? Like when you're angry, the first thing you do is like you get fast breath. This is how, like, angry means you will get fast breaths because you use your oxygen a lot. So that time I should be as calm as possible and my brain should be at ease. It's not like I don't have fear, but I tried not to what do you say, give so much of importance to it. You will be a little scared, but it's okay. Like you are there and you will be coming up.
సో సమ్ టైమ్స్ అలా లైక్ మీలాగే ఇంకెవరైనా అలా వెళ్ళినప్పుడు అలా పానిక్ అయినప్పుడు వాట్ దే హ్యావ్ టు డూ?
Progress slowly, go with the instructor, and most of the dive sites are safe. Like they do the survey and then only they choose the dive sites also. So you don't have to worry too much. You just have to trust what is happening around you and then accept it.
ఓకే. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు చూస్ లైక్ ఎయిర్ ఫోర్స్ ఆర్ ఫ్రీ డైవింగ్, సో దోనో మే విచ్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ వన్?
Both have different both are completely different,
డిఫరెంట్ వరల్డ్స్.
but but both have its own. As I said, you can learn from both. So choose what you have to choose, what they like, and then what I like both, so I've done this and this. So
ఇండియన్ ఎయిర్ ఫోర్స్కి వర్క్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు 10 years వర్క్ చేశారు కదా, సో మంచి ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ ఏమున్నాయి అక్కడ?
చాలా experiences ఉన్నాయి. 10 years మున్నాడి ఉల్ల అర్చన and after 10 years coming out of Air Force, Archana is completely different. Yeah. There it was like a timid girl just going, exposure ledu, zyada nare exposure illa, so just going there. But then when you come out, you have got a lot of exposure and you meet people from all walks of life, from all over the country. So our country is very diverse.
So Archana, you are the first Molchino instructor for
Female instructor of India. Yeah.
So this is a great achievement here. I'm very much proud of you. Ela anipistundi meeku?
I actually feel very good, and that was a very good decision for me to do that course because I love this sport and it has changed me and made me more calmer and approach life in a different way. So I want to teach this to other people. So once I've become an instructor right now, so I love teaching it to other people and make them also find their calm.
So apart from this, so you are firstly women, right?
Yeah.
So you like cooking or you like to eat?
Neither. But being a vegan, when you travel to countries like Egypt and Philippines, it is not affordable and also not easier to find vegan food and vegetarian food everywhere. Especially vegan, it becomes tougher, or sometimes it is a little costlier to eat outside every day. So I carry a small set of my kitchen to wherever I go.
Oh.
Like that is only for my cooking and only I can eat that food.
Women's Day special hai na abhi. So what's your suggestions to young women or home makers bhi hai, వాళ్ళకి కూడా ఏదో అచీవ్ చేయాలని ఉంటుంది హోమ్ మేకర్స్ కి కూడా, అండ్ యంగ్ గర్ల్స్ के लिए about Indian Force and free diving के हिसाब से क्या बोलते हैं आप?
From a very young age, you will have something inside you. You will also have. Now you can say from young age you will be doing something which will be keeping that fire inside you. Everybody, every homemaker, every woman or every human being has some fire inside them. They know deep down what are they good at. Deep down you also know you love it and you can do it almost every day. So keep that fire alive. keep fueling it, keep practicing it, like spend some time for yourself. So that is the best way to keep there's a fast moving world, we are busy with a plenty of things around us. Take some time for yourself also. Once you do something with so much of passion, the rest will happen by itself.
మీ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ ఎవరు విమెన్గా?
First inspiration, my mom. When somebody asks me, like, I've never seen such a brave woman in my life. Like, yeah, people, every woman, not only my mom, every woman is brave. Like, steering through the life, every woman is brave. Everybody has hardship in their life, and the way they handle it is different. So, kudos to every human, like every woman especially, navigate through life in such a beautiful way as we are doing right now.
How we have to celebrate Women's Day?
Celebrate yourself. Instead of everybody else, celebrate yourself. Take some time. Do something which you have been wanting to do for a long time. Today is the day. Go. Do it for yourself. So that's how you want to, like womanhood, yes, everybody is celebrating. Do it for yourself. Don't worry about what your family will think, this one. Something, it might be very silly or it might be something very big, but it's okay. Take that chance. Go for the swimming, go for a hike, go for a parlor, go for whatever you've been postponing for so long because you don't have time. Leave that, go and do it today.
So Archana, this is men's dominating world bolte na?
Yeah.
So do you agree that women have equal opportunities?
Not everywhere, but we are not yet there, but the ways are open. It's still up to us to grab them. So we don't, hereafter there are so many platforms out there. Right now I wouldn't accept that you sit and say that, okay, give me opportunities. There are so many opportunities, go out there and grab it. So don't wait for somebody else to give it to us. Go out there and get it for yourself.
So Archana, what are your coming projects, and have you signed any new ones or?
I'm about to, like I'm planning for this year. If everything goes well, maybe I might go for a few more competitions.
Okay.
And I want to see where the journey, how deep I can still go and how calm.
कितना deep तक जा सकते हैं हम?
Human, female has gone up to 124 meters. Like right now, if I say 45 meter, which I have gone, it's like a 3-story building. That much, and like put a 3-story building upside down. That much deep, like something like that.
So कुछ target है आपका?
No, I don't have numbers. Like if once you keep that numbers, it's challenging. So wherever the ocean is allowing me, I'll keep going.
So finally, give us a good message for Women's Day or Vanita TV.
To all the women, everybody feels, everybody is struggling, everybody is having some challenge, and everybody wants to give up. But tell me any one woman who is not having struggles in their life. Everybody has struggles, and everybody, it's very easy to give up, but it is very difficult to not give up. I would request all of you, don't give up. There is so much to do in your life. It's not easy to not give up, so don't give up. Before that, I would like to say one more thing also. Do you think anybody who is achieving something has easily achieved? No. Everybody has a challenge in their life. Everybody faces struggles. Everybody has a thorn in their path. Take it out and keep moving forward. Don't wait for somebody else to take out the thorn in front of your path. Remove it yourself and keep going. Don't give up. Once again, to all the female out there, happy International Women's Day.
Thank you, Archana. It was nice talking to you and a nice interview, and all the best for your coming projects.
It was nice interacting with you.
Thank
too.
you so much. All
Thank
the
you
best.
for this.
మహిళలంటేనే ఆకాశపు అంచులని తాకగలరు, సముద్రపు లోతులని కొలవగలదు. ఎస్, మరి విమెన్స్ డే స్పెషల్గా మనం మీట్ అయ్యాం అర్చన త్యాగరాజన్ని, ఒక బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇన్స్పైర్డ్ విమెన్ని. మరి మీ అందరు కూడా మీరు అనుకున్నవన్నీ కూడా జీవితంలో సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా సాధించాలని కోరుకుంటూ మరొకసారి ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ, ముఖ్యంగా మా వనితా టీవీ ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ కూడా హ్యాపీ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ విమెన్స్ డే, మహిళా దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు.